as a pall of gloom descends upon 6 families who lost their children in a massive fire at Vivek Vihar's Baby Care Bond Hospital. Shocking details of negligence on the part of the owner have come to the fore. DCP Shahadra Surendra Chaudhary revealed that the NOC issued to the hospital expired on March 31st. He further went on to share that the hospital only had permission for up to 5 beds but installed over 10. Shockingly, there was no fire exit system in the hospital. We've also gotten to know that the accused and owner, Dr. Naveen Kichi, has been running 3 such clinics across Delhi. Now, this is not it. According to reports from 2021, Kichi was booked for the alleged mistreatment of a newborn during treatment, and at the time it was discovered that the hospital was not registered under the Delhi Nursing Home Act. As of now, Delhi police has arrested owner of the hospital, Dr. Naveen Kichi, and the doctor on duty, Dr. Akash, and sections 304 and 308 of the IPC have been added to the FIR. Meanwhile, DCP Shahadra Surendra Chaudhary has spoken on the incident. Take a listen.
विहार इलाके में कल विवेक विहार इलाके में 11:30 के आसपास एक आग की कॉल हमें मिली थी, जिसमें जब पुलिस और फायर ब्रिगेड मौके पे पहुंची तो पता चला कि वहां पे 120 गज के एरिया में एक हॉस्पिटल बना है, न्यू बेबी बोर्न केयर, जिसके जो संचालक और मालिक हैं डॉक्टर नवीन खींची बताए गए। तो वहां पे टोटल 12 बच्चे थे, जिसमें से एक बच्चे की डेथ पहले 8 बजे अदर रीजन से हो चुकी थी, जो बच्चे के पेरेंट्स को भी इंटीमेट किया गया था। बाकी बच्चों को वहां से रेस्क्यू किया, वहां आग से बचाने के लिए, और पास के एक दूसरे हॉस्पिटल में भेजा। तो बाद में उसमें से 6 बच्चों की डेथ हो गई। बाकी 5 बच्चे अभी स्वस्थ हैं, दूसरे हॉस्पिटल में उनका इलाज चल रहा है। इसमें शुरुआती तौर पे हमने आग लगने की एक दुर्घटना के हिसाब से इसको मुकदमा किया धारा 336, 304A IPC में। बाद में जब हमने मौका मुआयना किया और सारी इसकी हॉस्पिटल का रजिस्ट्रेशन, परमिशन उनको चेक किया, तो पता चला कि हॉस्पिटल की जो NOC है वो भी 31 मार्च को ख़त्म हो गई थी, और हॉस्पिटल को 5 बेड तक की परमिशन थी, लेकिन उन्होंने 10 से ज़्यादा बेड उसमें लगाए हुए थे, 12-13 के आसपास। इसके अलावा उनके अदर वायोलेशन भी थे कि उनका फायर एग्जिट का सिस्टम नहीं था, फायर एक्सटिंग्विशर भी उसमें नहीं थे।
Brian on the telecast with me. Brian, the more you hear, the worse, the shocking and the suspicious, more and more suspicious it gets. Some shocking details have been unraveled. For example, the hospital only had permission for 5 beds, but it installed over 10 beds. We're also getting to know that there was no fire exit system in the hospital. What are the other details? What are the further details that you can share with us at this point of time, and also give our viewers an understanding on the babies that are now are under treatment?
Well, definitely, Ashavri, a very alarming incident that rather happened, where unfortunately 7 babies lost their lives, because of a reason, where the hospital couldn't, do anything for it. And even if you talk about the mishappenings that happened, when we were talking to the, families of the babies also, the family was saying that they got the news, the tragic news they got to know from the news, from the television, but not from the hospital authorities. The hospital authorities, they did not bother to receive the calls. And yes, there were many mishaps. Firstly, the license for the Baby Care Newborn Hospital expired on March 31st. The second goes that the hospital was authorized for only 5 beds, but at the time of the incident, 12 newborn babies were admitted. So another one was that the doctors at the hospital were not even qualified to provide, neonatal intensive care, and also to the fact that there were a lot of problems, as they held the BAMS degree, and there were no fire extinguishers installed in the hospital. The hospital lacked an emergency exit, and as this incident happened, there were shocking details of negligence that has also come to light. Even DCP Shadra Surendran Chaudhary also revealed that the NOC was not there. There was no proper NOC done, and the hospital had only permission for 5 beds. But at that point, they had over 12 babies, and unfortunately, 7 of them couldn't survive. And even the hospital did not have a fire exit. Now we went to the hospital. Now the hospital is a very narrow hospital. It was in the middle of a lot of residential properties, and there, if you if you see the visuals, also the hospital did not have a proper entry or exit. It was one entry, one exit. So to come out to or in fire or in any dire situation, it's very difficult to come out at that point of time, because there is just one exit and entry. But yes, there were a few rescuers, people who were there who got the 12 babies out. But unfortunately, 7 of them, 7 newborn babies whose life was supposed to start, ended in this very mishap. Yes, Asaf.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.